We're hearing from an expert on 3 new motions filed in the Hedingham mass shooting case. They include the questions defense attorneys plan to ask potential jurors. A status hearing is scheduled for tomorrow. Eric Miller looked into the documents. He joins us live from the Wake County Courthouse. Eric, what are we learning from these documents?
Well, Gerald, I've got the 3 motions right in my hand. All 3 were filed here in Wake County Superior Court this morning, and they show that attorneys in this case are making steady progress towards that day in February when Austin Thompson, the accused shooter, will finally stand trial. It's the next step in a case that's taken 3 years and counting. Wednesday, defense attorneys for accused Hedingham mass shooter Austin Thompson filed a trio of motions. All 3 aimed at narrowing down who will sit on the jury and decide Thompson's guilt or innocence in the shooting that left 5 people dead and more injured.
And they're getting ready.
Durham defense attorney Daniel Meyer, who's not involved in the Hedingham case, says all 3 are standard practice in high-profile cases like this.
Especially in homicides and higher-profile homicides.
The motions include a request that potential jurors be questioned individually and that the judge check each juror's race, a move Meyer says is more common in cases with a minority defendant or victim.
It's very standard to ask the judge to make that inquiry of the juror.
The motions also include the questionnaire the defense team wants potential jurors to answer.
So they're often used in higher profile cases. And in a case like this, where you especially want to be able to say fairly quickly, do you know anything about the case? Is there something that's going to disqualify you?
And included on this list of questions, whether any jury members live in Hedingham or have any friends or family who do.
It makes total sense that they're asking, since the neighborhood is so integral.
Now, the next question is whether the judge in this case will sign off on these motions. We've reached out to the defense team here for comment tonight. We've so far not heard back. We also reached out to Wake County District Attorney Lauren Freeman, who declined to comment for this story. In Raleigh, Eric Miller, WRAL News.